Hey guys, welcome to another video of Awesome Man with Disaster Jax. I was gonna say Jax, but that was like a last week name. Anyway, so
we found the craziest thing ever.
And it's called
We found
the dead bird.
Yeah, it's a dead bird. Okay. So.
And he is scooping it up for some reason. Oh, why are you? Oh, that is. Why did you put it in a bucket? Oh.
Wait 1 second. I think I see something.
If people actually see this and they come by here, they'd probably think they're idiots. We're idiots. What do you see? Injuries or anything?
No, I thought I saw blood. Okay.
Well, it is.
Might have the coronavirus.
Yeah, it is coronavirus season.
So let's see if this old bird can fly.
No, don't. No. No, like throw it.
3, 2, 1. Get ready for action.
Oh, that's weird. Pick it up again, put it in the bucket. Do you want to know why we're here? Because of the coronavirus. We're supposed to have school today, but coronavirus canceled the schools. Hooray, coronavirus, but not really because it's making everyone die, including this bird.
It's the end of the world, kids!
Yeah. Yay, the end of the world! Put it in the bucket.
Okay, we're going to carry this.
How heavy is it? Not even heavy at all.
It's pretty fat. Wait, I think I know what might have happened. It looks pretty fat. It might have eaten something like dangerous. That could kill it.
Like my dad's socks? Those are dangerous.
Yeah.
They're so crispy that they walk out of the house. Maybe he could eat that.
Let's go outside to the porch and do the rest of the investigation.
Okay. And just to let you know, I spotted this. We were looking up music videos, and then
He's like,
what is that? I think I found it.
can we show you something?
We found a dead bird.
Oh,
Out of the house! Out of the house! Now! Out! It stinks!
Oh, I don't smell anything.
Garbage can!
No, we're doing an investigation. I don't smell anything.
Get out! Go over there, please.
Touching that bird, right?
We're not. That's why we're using a shovel and a bucket.
Okay, so anyway,
Don't worry, I'll use the hose after
we're
this.
investigating.
you're not using the hose, it's frozen.
We're seeing if there's any like injuries or holes. I think it might have eaten something. He thinks it's the coronavirus. I think it might have been eating something dangerous, like a baby hedgehog or something.
Or maybe another bird killed it, because they are mean.
Take a picture
But-
or a video, and then that bird goes in the garbage.
What he
Okay.
said, okay? Okay.
Guys can't roll around and play with that.
Yeah, and you know that once that bird is out of the bucket, that bucket is going to come and I'm going to clean it with bleach, okay?
I know. Okay, that.
So its tail is broken. Have you ever seen a bird that's an L shape?
Nope.
Well, I'd say that's what killed it. Okay, put it away, please.
I think I know what might have happened.
Disgusting.
Because we found it right under a pine tree. It might have not been looking where it was going and it flew right into the pine
Maybe
tree.
it fell, yeah.
Fell.
Okay, so remember what Nick's dad said?
Yep.
Okay,
Touch it. Just a video and a picture.
okay, then garbage. Thank you very much. Bye-bye, boys.
Okay, so
So we throw this in the garbage, I'm guessing?
Yeah, but first we have to do the nice ceremony. Show these kids it.
No, don't! Don't! Jackson, they're innocent! They'll get scarred! What are you doing? Okay. Oh, why did you have to do that? Can't you just throw it in the garbage at the park? No! Let's throw it in the garbage and then make a grave for it or something. Why? Throw it in the garbage.
Okay, you have to do the funeral first.
No! Throw it in the garbage and then we can like build a grave or something for it.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dump it in! Oh, that scared me.
Disgusting.
Here's a shovel, dip it in snow. There.
We dumped a dead bird, did a whole YouTube video, and that's the video, folks. See you next time on Awesome Man in the Graphic Tech. Cool.
No!
Make sure you check out my YouTube channel. And comment below on this video. See you next time. Okay, that's it.
No! We end the video. We end the video when we're done building the grave for this.
Okay. Let's do the grave where we found it.
Okay. What are you doing?
Some sort of creepy stuff.
Okay. I'll make a grave for it here. I'm just gonna draw an X there. That's his grave, I guess. Okay, you like that X? It looks like a spider with 4 legs.
Perfect. This is the grave of Rachel John. Peace out, folks. That's it for this video.
Yes, it
See
is.
you next time. Peace out soon.
Yeah, okay, yeah, what do you say? Yeah, okay. Yeah, but no, my battery is 50%.